Hello everyone, I'm Mukund Chaudhary. I'm a civil engineer by profession and I'm currently pursuing my master's in construction and engineering management. In this presentation, I'm going to discuss about the sustainable practices of the construction industry. The construction industry is a significant driver of economic activity in Australia. It is Australia's third largest industry behind only mining and finance and produces around 8% of our GDP. It comprises over 380,000 businesses nationwide and directly employs over 1 million people. Despite the infrastructure spending boom, the Australian Bureau of Statistics reports that projects are not delivered on budget and time and are hence becoming unsustainable. United Nations has set goals for sustainability, and out of those goals, four goals conform to the sustainable practices in construction, namely affordable and clean energy, industry innovation and infrastructure, partnership for the goals, and sustainable cities and communities. Here we discuss some of the important challenges affecting the sustainability of construction sector. First of all, generation, construction and demolition waste. The CD is the waste generated during various construction activities such as site clearances, excavation and all. With 16.8% of the country's total annual waste being contributed to construction industry, the C&D waste is one of Australia's more important source of waste. Australia's construction industry produces an alarming amount of waste annually, contributing to a total annual production of 76 million tons. Another important challenge is the lack of skilled workers. Infrastructure Australia, the federal government's infrastructure advisor, issued an infrastructure market capacity report in December 2022, wherein it produces three alarming conclusions. That labor scarcity is the single biggest issue faced by construction companies. As of October 2022, public infrastructure projects face a shortage of 214,000 skilled workers. Apart from that, high attrition rates also causes a big issue in the availability of skilled workers. Another important challenge is the rising cost of materials and TNPs. Increased fuel prices, other raw materials, etc., due to high inflation increases the total cost of projects. Lockdowns have also impacted on the inflation. Typically, the Australian standard contracts used for construction projects and master building contracts for domestic building work do not generally include clauses enabling the contractor to claim additional costs for increase in material prices, which is making projects unsustainable. Another important challenge is unsustainable cash flow due to poor estimating and quoting at the front end of the project, unpaid slow paying progress through ongoing projects. Apart from that, many clients hold like 10% cash retention money, which eats away the profit margin, causing trouble for the stakeholders as well. Another challenge is non-compatibility to technological advancements. Workflow and value chain, lack of guidance on technology, exacerbated by the lack of diversity across the workforce and by competing priorities. Technology adoption and gaps. Construction tech is generally understood to include smart technologies that leverage the Internet of Things and data to improve productivity, sustainability, quality, and safety. Examples include robotics and artificial intelligence, prefabricated and 3D printing, drones, BIM, and digital twins. Skills and training. Participants in the construction industry have limited exposure to technology during education and the job experience unless they pursue specific technology skill pathways. Investment and collaboration. Many industries lack the willpower to invest and collaborate for modernization of the technology. That itself is another big challenge. The challenges our construction industry face in achieving sustainability can be thwarted and checked by putting into practice certain activities which can be named as followings: enhancing indoor environmental quality through building green walls, optimizing operational and maintenance quality, optimizing site potential, optimizing energy usage, optimizing and protecting and recycling of the water usage, and optimizing the building use as well. Following regulations and creeds govern the construction sector in Australia: Environmental Protection and Biodiversity Act (EPBC), Workplace Health and Safety Standards (WHS), National Greenhouse and Energy Reporting Schemes (NGER), Australian Standards (AS), Building Code of Australia (BCA), National Pollutant Inventory (NPI). As we discussed, some of the companies have already put into practice some of the sustainable activities and set some examples, a few of which have been presented here for ready reference. Important sustainable features of one of the iconic buildings are as follows. Barangaroo South has green roofs, which provide insulation, reduce the urban heat island effect, improve air quality, and absorb rainwater, reducing stormwater runoff. The precinct has a central thermal plant that uses natural gas and advanced trigeneration technology to generate electricity, heating, and cooling as well. Additionally, solar panels are installed on some of the buildings to generate renewable energy. Also, high performance glass have been installed to reduce energy usage. The purpose of this presentation is to put insight on challenges to sustainability and methodology which can be put into practice for achieving the desired goals. Thank you.